Hey everyone, you're here because we just ran an ad that is for a no startup cost for our rate and revenue management services. You ended up at the right place. Our rate and revenue management tools are brought to you by industry leaders, generational hoteliers, and people who have built and sold a hotel only through rate and revenue management services. This is absolutely something that you have to have and know in your business because this is an absolute science. All you need to do, put your information in the form below, schedule a no cost, no obligation consult with myself. Again, we'll absolutely waive that startup cost, and we only work on a percent. There is never any flat fee or any time you're going to owe us more money than you made. We actually really come without cost because our job is to increase and add value to the property. Put your information in the form below, and I'm excited to connect with you.